Hi, John Kelly, America's Home Place out of the Anderson, South Carolina office. Today we're going to talk a little bit about crawl spaces. Now, a crawl space is essentially there to provide a little bit of a space between the footing or the foundation of your home and then the structural floor of your home. So that crawl space is where we can get the plumbing, sometimes the HVAC or your furnace in there. It's basically being able to access the mechanical or the heart and soul of the house. Part of coming out and assessing your site that's specific for your home is to see what's going to be needed. Sometimes if the lot has more slope to it, or what we call fall, it may require that crawl space be tall enough that you can actually walk into it, or in some cases it makes more sense to go ahead and go up to a basement at that point. So the basement would end up being, probably 3 times the height of this crawl space and affording you the opportunity to finish that later into bonus room, rec room, future bedrooms. So this crawl space behind us is going to be very indicative of the standard crawl space here in Anderson. Once again, check us out online at americashomeplace.com. John Kelly here in the Anderson office. Thank you.